Welcome to the Logix Platform all-in-one solution. Having 270-plus customers across the globe. The demo will present you how easy and scalable Logix Platform is to manage your logistics business. Logix Platform provides tools to manage your first-mile pickup, middle-mile transshipment, and last-mile delivery. As you log into the Logix Platform, you will be able to access your dashboard. The dashboard provides a count of shipments based on their delivery status. You get details of your top delivery destinations and top customers. You could review the business that you are generating under different services like express, courier, international cargo, etc. The beginning point of any logistics system is shipment creation. You could create a new shipment record from API, customer portal, and web. In this demo, we will present how quickly you are able to create a new shipment. For creating a new label, you key in the shipper and receiver details. You select the service of the shipment and also the payment term. Is it credit or cash? The label form provides you to add details of packages that are part of the shipment, like packaging type, weight, etc. In case you would like to upload any documents for the label, you could also do so. Once you key in the shipment details based on the customer rate contract, the system will auto-calculate the shipment freight. You could add any extra freight if needed and click on the Save to create a shipment record in the system. Logix Platform generates the label and package sticker having the barcode and QR code on it. These stickers could be customized and branded as per your need. Logix Platform keep track of every activity performed on the label. The tracking engine ensure that the label live updates are available to all stakeholders. User could track any shipment based on 20-plus label properties like label number, consignee name, mobile number, order number. You could also define custom tracking statuses as per your business need. Applying any status to the label is very simple, where you select the status and activity date and time. You have the option to hide or display any status update with customers on the portal. Shipment tracking history could be downloaded to further used for sharing or offline processing. Logix Platform workflow and tracking engine provide visibility and control that ensures that every shipment is delivered on time to its receiver. Thank you for watching this tutorial. To know more on how Logix Platform could add value to your business, visit our website.